Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.